Welcome to a Flight Sim Coach quick tip. Starting the engine, taxiing, and taking off every time you begin a flight in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 can be time consuming. Luckily, you can begin your flight in the air with the aircraft running. On the world map page, simply select any point on the map and choose Set as Arrival. This will place you at a safe altitude above your selected point. Furthermore, you can begin your flight on the final approach path of a runway. Click on your airport of choice, click Set as Arrival, and choose your desired runway. Do not set a departure airport or runway. Now, when you begin your flight, you will be placed on the final approach path of your chosen runway, the perfect way to practice those landings. Instead of clicking on an arrival airport, you can also type it into the Select Arrival Airport box. Have more questions? Head over to flightsimcoach.com and we'll help you get answers.